we know that a number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So in this case, the answer is 1. We can show why. X to the power of 0 is the same as x 1 minus 1, because 1 minus 1 is 0. So this means x power of 1 divided by x to the power of 1. So if you divide by that, you get the answer to be 1. And that's the reason why a number raised to 0 is equal to 1. What if when the power is negative? When the power is negative, you find the inverse of the base. So 3 is the base. And now 3 is the same as 3 over 1. Then the power of negative 2. So to make the power positive, you find the inverse or the reciprocal of the base. And the reciprocal of 3 over 1 is now 1 over 3. And then now our power becomes positive. And if you're opening that, you ensure that you square both the numerator and the denominator, which is 1 squared over 3 squared, and the answer is 1 over 9. When you have when the power is a fraction, actually the denominator of that fraction becomes the root, and the numerator of that fraction becomes the power. So in this case, it's the same as the second root of 25, and then our power remains, which is 1. So the second root of 25 is the same as the square root of 25, and the answer is 5. 5 to the power of 1 remains to be 5. The same applies in this case. So we will have the fifth root of that 2, and then now 3 will remain as the power. So the fifth root of that 2 is 2, because if you multiply 2 times 2 5 times, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, you will get that 2. So it's 2 cubed, and 2 cubed becomes 8.